Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's begin with a comprehensive look at the key factors that influence promise to pay, or PTP, rate in an outbound call center. Let's start with one of the most fundamental drivers of PTP performance, customer profile and segment. The first factor is financial stability and intent. Customers with a stable income or a positive payment history are far more likely to commit to a specific payment date and amount. Their financial behavior creates predictability, making conversion easier. Next is debt age and type. Early-stage delinquencies generally have higher PTP rates compared to late-stage or charged-off accounts. Simply put, the older the debt, the harder it becomes to secure commitments. Then comes customer relationship tenure. Long-term customers who already have a relationship with the brand tend to be more cooperative and trusting, increasing the likelihood of securing a promise to pay. And finally, behavioral segments. High-value or VIP customers often respond more positively to personalized outreach and tailored communication, which leads to higher conversion and stronger commitments. Understanding these profile and segment-level differences allows us to prioritize intelligently, design targeted strategies, and maximize PTP outcomes. Next, let's explore a major driver of PTP performance, agent skill and call handling quality. First, negotiation and objection handling. Skilled agents have the ability to turn initial resistance into firm payment commitments. Their confidence, structure, and persuasive techniques make all the difference. Second, tone and empathy. A professional, empathetic approach helps build trust, making customers more open and cooperative, which directly lifts PTP rates. Third, script adherence and personalization. When agents balance structured talk tracks with a touch of personalization, conversations feel more genuine, resulting in higher conversion success. And finally, closing technique. The way an agent asks for and confirms a specific promise, clearly, confidently, and without hesitation, has a powerful impact on the outcome. Simply put, agent skill isn't just a soft factor. It's a core performance lever that can make or break PTP results. Another critical pillar that shapes PTP outcomes is contact strategy and dialing efficiency. Let's begin with call timing and frequency. Reaching customers at the right time, for example, around payday windows, significantly increases the probability of securing a promise to pay. Timing truly matters. Next, consider the number of attempts. A well-planned follow-up cadence can improve contact and conversion rates without causing customer fatigue or frustration. It's about smart persistence, not overdialing. Then we have the channel mix. When calls are combined with SMS, email, or IVR reminders, it creates a multi-touch engagement strategy that reinforces the customer's commitment. And finally, dialer strategy. Intelligent dialer rules and prioritization ensure that high-potential contacts are reached first, maximizing both efficiency and outcomes. In short, a smart contact strategy isn't just about dialing more, it's about dialing smarter to achieve stronger PTP performance. Next, let's talk about a powerful lever that directly impacts customer decision-making: offer structure and payment flexibility. The first element is payment plan options. When customers are offered flexible installment plans or settlement choices, their likelihood of making a payment commitment increases significantly. Second, incentives or waivers. The strategic use of discounts, fee waivers, or temporary relief can create a strong sense of urgency and motivate customers to commit faster. Third, clarity of terms. When agents clearly explain the amount, payment date, and method, it removes hesitation, builds trust, and helps customers commit confidently. And finally, ease of payment. Offering simple, accessible, and convenient payment channels reinforces the customer's confidence and makes it easier to follow through on their promise. In essence, a well-structured and flexible offer doesn't just secure promises, it transforms intent into action. Another powerful factor that influences PTP performance is system and process maturity. The first element is CRM integration. A unified customer view allows agents to tailor their pitch with precision, making conversations more relevant and improving PTP conversion rates. Next, real-time information. When agents have access to up-to-date account status and previous interaction history, it builds credibility and trust, leading to stronger commitments. Third, automated follow-ups. Automated reminders through SMS, email, or IVR help reduce broken promises and boost PTP kept rates, ensuring higher revenue realization. And finally, AI-powered assistance. Intelligent prompts, suggested rebuttals, and contextual cues help agents navigate tough conversations and secure stronger commitments. Simply put, a mature system and streamlined process turn ordinary interactions into high-impact, high-conversion engagements. Let's talk about an important set of factors that sit outside the organization: external and market conditions. The first factor is the economic climate. Conditions like recession, inflation, or seasonal expenses can directly impact a customer's ability or willingness to commit to a payment. Next is seasonality. PTP rates often rise around bonus cycles or festive periods, when customers have higher disposable income, and dip during low cash flow months. Understanding these cycles allows for smarter campaign planning. And lastly, the regulatory environment. Rules and compliance frameworks, such as time-of-day restrictions on outreach, can influence contact effectiveness and overall PTP performance. While these external conditions may not be within our control, understanding and adapting to them strategically can make a significant difference in outcomes. Another major driver of PTP performance is campaign design and lead quality. The first element is segmentation and targeting. High-quality leads, such as those with verified contact details or recent delinquencies, are far more likely to convert, leading to higher PTP rates. Next, campaign objectives. The goals of a campaign greatly influence outcomes. For example, early-stage soft collections behave very differently from late-stage recovery programs, and each requires a tailored strategy. And finally, data hygiene. Clean, accurate contact and account data minimize wasted dials and enable more meaningful, productive conversations, ultimately driving stronger results. In short, a well-designed campaign with the right lead quality sets the foundation for high PTP performance and efficient operations. Let's now focus on one of the most operationally critical levers of PTP performance: follow-up discipline and governance. The first element is PTP tracking and monitoring. When promises are logged accurately and consistently, it ensures proper forecasting, stronger visibility, and better fulfillment follow-through. Next, reminder cadence. Sending timely reminders 1 to 2 days before the promise date can significantly increase PTP kept rates and minimize broken commitments. Then comes the escalation protocol. A well-defined governance process for broken promises helps prevent leakage and keeps collections on track. And finally, quality assurance and audits. Regular monitoring ensures that promises are genuine, not inflated just to meet targets, reinforcing both accuracy and accountability. In short, disciplined follow-up isn't just about process, it's about protecting revenue, strengthening trust, and sustaining PTP performance. Here's the key insight to keep in mind. PTP rate is never influenced by just one element. It's the result of a carefully balanced interplay between people, process, technology, customer behavior, and external conditions. Each of these factors acts as a lever, and when even a few of them are optimized, the impact can be significant and measurable. Improved PTP rates don't just mean more promises. They translate directly into higher actual collections, better forecasting accuracy, and stronger financial outcomes. In short, PTP performance isn't accidental, it's engineered through strategic alignment and disciplined execution. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.